welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner, where we explore thought-provoking topics and delve into the depths of intellectual discussion. Today we are going to discuss Reverse Blooms Taxonomy. Before we dive into the reverse, let's recap the fundamentals of Bloom's taxonomy. It was developed in 1956 by educational psychologist Benjamin Bloom. This hierarchical framework classifies educational goals into 6 levels, ranging from basic knowledge recall to higher order thinking skills like evaluation and creation. It has been widely adopted in educational settings to design curricula and assess learning outcomes. The Reverse Blooms Taxonomy flips the conventional approach on its head by starting with the creation level and working backward towards basic knowledge acquisition. Proponents argue that this approach fosters creativity and critical thinking from the very beginning, sparking curiosity and engagement in learners. By encouraging students to explore real-world problems and develop innovative solutions, they become active participants in their own learning journey. Let's consider a common example of how IGCSE students study the reflection of light. Instead of simply providing a definition and the law of reflection, teacher can employ a reverse Bloom's approach. They can begin the topic by conducting an experiment on the reflection of light, allowing the students to drive the law themselves. One key advantage of Reverse Blooms Taxonomy is its potential to cultivate deeper understanding and conceptual mastery. By prioritizing higher order thinking skills from the outset, it empowers learners to analyze, evaluate, and synthesize information, equipping them with valuable lifelong learning tools. Moreover, this approach nurtures independent thinking and problem-solving abilities, paving the way for students to become self-reliant and adaptable in today's rapidly evolving world. However, no discussion would be complete without analyzing the opposing views. Critics argue that the reverse approach may neglect the importance of foundational knowledge. They emphasize that the strong knowledge base provides essential building blocks for future learning, making it essential to establish a solid foundation before tackling complex concepts. They also express concerns that the reverse approach may be too ambitious for younger students, potentially overwhelming them and impairing their progress. To strike a balance, some educational experts propose incorporating elements of both approaches with instructional design. By recognizing the value of both knowledge acquisition and higher order thinking, educators can create a harmonious blend that caters to diverse learning styles and needs. This hybrid approach acknowledges the necessity of foundational knowledge while fostering critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity. According to some experts, the Reverse Blooms Taxonomy is considered suitable for limited topics and may not be applicable to all topics. As we conclude our exploration of Reverse Blooms Taxonomy, it's important to remember that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to education. The reverse concept undoubtedly presents intriguing possibilities, igniting intellectual growth and stimulating innovation. However, striking a delicate balance that incorporates both traditional and reverse perspectives ensures a holistic and enriched educational experience for learners of all ages. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.